Azure App Service is a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps. It supports multiple languages and frameworks, including .NET, Java, Node.js, and Python. The service provides built-in capabilities such as continuous integration, deployment, and scaling, making it an ideal choice for developers looking to streamline their workflow. In this presentation, we will delve into the process of creating an Azure App Service web app, exploring its features, benefits, and best practices. Azure App Service is part of the Azure App Platform, which includes Azure Functions, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure API Management. It offers a range of features such as automatic scaling, high availability, and security. Developers can deploy their applications using various methods, including Git, FTP, and Visual Studio. The service also integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, providing a comprehensive solution for modern web app development. Azure App Service offers numerous benefits, including reduced infrastructure management, automatic scaling, and built-in security features. It supports multiple programming languages and frameworks, allowing developers to use their preferred tools. The service also provides continuous integration and deployment capabilities, enabling faster and more efficient development cycles. Additionally, Azure App Service integrates with other Azure services, offering a cohesive and scalable solution for web app development. Before creating an Azure App Service web app, you need to set up your Azure environment. This involves creating an Azure account, setting up a resource group, and configuring your development environment. Azure provides a free tier that allows you to explore its features without incurring costs. Once your environment is set up, you can proceed to create and deploy your web app using the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or other development tools. A resource group is a logical container for Azure resources. It allows you to manage and organize resources such as web apps, databases, and storage accounts. To create a resource group, navigate to the Azure portal, select Resource Groups, and click Add. Provide a name and select a region for your resource group. Once created, you can add resources to the group, making it easier to manage and monitor your Azure assets. An app service plan defines the region, instance size, and pricing tier for your web app. It determines the resources allocated to your app and its scalability. To create an app service plan, go to the Azure portal, select App Service Plans, and click Add. Choose a name, region, and pricing tier that suits your needs. The plan can be scaled up or down based on your app's requirements, providing flexibility and cost efficiency. Deploying your web app to Azure App Service can be done using various methods, including the Azure portal, Azure CLI, and Visual Studio. In the Azure portal, navigate to App Services, click Add, and follow the prompts to create your web app. You can deploy your code using Git, FTP, or a zip file. Azure App Service also supports continuous deployment from popular source control systems like GitHub and Azure Repos, enabling automated and streamlined deployments. Application settings in Azure App Service allow you to manage configuration settings and connection strings for your web app. These settings can be managed through the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or ARM templates. Application settings are encrypted and stored securely, ensuring the security of sensitive information. You can also use environment variables to manage different configurations for development, staging, and production environments, providing flexibility and control over your app's behavior. Azure App Service provides automatic and manual scaling options to handle varying traffic loads. You can scale your app vertically by changing the instance size or horizontally by adding more instances. The service also supports auto-scaling based on predefined rules and metrics, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. Scaling can be managed through the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or ARM templates, allowing you to adapt to changing demands seamlessly. Monitoring and diagnostics are crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your web app. Azure App Service provides built-in monitoring tools, including application insights and log analytics, to track performance, detect issues, and analyze usage patterns. You can set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about critical events and use diagnostic logs to troubleshoot and resolve issues. These tools help ensure your web app runs smoothly and efficiently. Security is a top priority when developing web apps. Azure App Service offers various security features, including SSL/TLS certificates, authentication and authorization, and network security. You can configure custom domains and secure them with SSL certificates to ensure data encryption. Azure Active Directory (AAD) integration allows you to manage user access and authentication. Additionally, you can use network security groups and service endpoints to control traffic and protect your app from threats. To maximize the benefits of Azure App Service, follow best practices such as using deployment slots for staging and production environments, implementing continuous integration and deployment, and monitoring performance regularly. Optimize your app's performance by using caching, content delivery networks, CDNs, and efficient coding practices. Ensure security by regularly updating dependencies, using secure coding practices, and configuring proper access controls. These practices help you build robust, scalable, and secure web apps. Let's explore a case study of a company that successfully implemented Azure App Service for their web app. The company faced challenges with scalability and deployment speed. By migrating to Azure App Service, they achieved automatic scaling, reduced deployment times, and improved performance. The integration with Azure DevOps enabled continuous integration and deployment, streamlining their development process. This case study highlights the real-world benefits and impact of using Azure App Service for web app development. In conclusion, Azure App Service is a powerful platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps. It offers numerous features and benefits, including automatic scaling, built-in security, and seamless integration with other Azure services. By following best practices and leveraging the tools provided by Azure, you can create robust, scalable, and secure web apps. As a next step, explore the Azure documentation and tutorials to deepen your understanding and start building your own web apps using Azure App Service.